Gymnosperms. The gymno is naked sperma seeds are plants in which the ovules are not enclosed by any ovary wall and remain exposed by before and after fertilization. The seeds that develop post fertilization are not covered. Eye are naked. Gymnosperms include medium-sized dead or tall trees and shrubs. One of the gymnosperms, the giant redwood tree sequoia, is one of the tallest tree species. The roots generally tap roots. Roots in some genera have fungal association in form of mycorrhiza, while in some other cycas, small specialized roots called keratinoid roots are associated with antofixing cyanobacteria. The stems are unbranched cycas or branched pinus cedrus. The leaf may be simple or compound in cycas. The pinnate leaves persist for years. The leaves in gymnosperms are well adapted to withstand extremely of temperature, humidity and wind. In conifers, the needle-like leaves reduce the surface area. Their thick cuticles and sunken stomata along help to reduce water loss. The gymnosperms are heterosporous. They produce haploid microspores and megaspores. The two kinds of spores are produced within sporangia that are borne sporophytes, which are arranged spirally along an axis to form lax or compact strobili or cones. The strobili bearing microsporophytes and microsporangia are called microsporangiate or male strobili. The microspores develop into a male gametophyte generation, which is highly reduced and is confined to only a limited number of cells. The reduced gametophyte is called a pollen grain. Development of pollen grains takes place within the microsporangia. The cones bearing megasporophytes within ovules or megasporangia are called megasporangiate or female strobili. The male or female cones or strobili may be born on the same tree, Pinus. However, in cycas, male cones and megasporophytes are born on different trees. The megaspores mother cell is differentiated from one of the cells of the nucellus. The nucellus is protected by envelope and the composite structure is called an ovule. The ovule are born on megasporophytes, which may be clustered to form the female cones. The megaspore mother cell divides mitotically to form 4 megaspores. One of the megaspores enclosed within the megasporangium nucellus develops into multicellular female gametophyte that bears 2 or more archegonia or female sex organs. The multicellular female gametophyte is called retained within megasporangium. Unlike bryophytes and pteridophytes, in gymnosperms, the male and the female gametophytes do not have an independent, free-living existence. They remain within the sporangia, retained on the sporophytes. The pollen grain is released from the microsporangium. They are carried in air currents and come in contact with the opening of the ovules born on megasporophytes. The pollen tube carrying the male gametophyte grows into towards archegonia in the ovules and they discharge their contents near the mouth of the archegonia. Following fertilization, zygote develops into an embryo and the ovules into seeds. These seeds are not